All right, guys. So today we focus on the Madrid, prep turn, hip roll, and also changing timing from the lead to the follow, from the follow back to the lead. Yes? We first start with the Madrid step. This connection will give you a little bit more control on the follows. It's just leads and follows. Don't lift your elbows up. Keep them down. Yes, just enough for you to breathe. Have breather right here. Okay, so we do 1. And it's not because I did 1. Do you see the difference? You see my arm? Stretching this arm? Is the whole frame moving? 1, 2. My arms are the same. If you do the arms, that's what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I do the rocking step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 up. Then I do my turn, hammerlock turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure you have connection with the forearm and the wrist instead of just having this connection. This is not good, just the hooks, the whole arm. Follows, you wanna go directly forward. It's like, come here, there you go, instead of going directly to the side. You wanna do a forward diagonal roll. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Then we do a prep turn. Okay, when we do the prep turn, we're gonna look at each other on 1. 1. If we don't look at each other, it looks like this. 1. This is gonna hurt your follow. Yes? Follows, you're gonna spot. 1, 2, 3, tap. Then I do time change to my follow time. 5, tap, 7, tap. Basic follow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Prepare my follow to turn. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, just numbers. Is that good for you? Yeah, just numbers. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. And 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. Yes? Practice, practice.